addict. So what we're gonna start doing now is we're gonna see first. We're gonna mix it up every now and again. So first things first. As y'all can see by the title, this is a 2006 F-150. So first, before I'm gonna show y'all what Facebook says the selling values for. So first things first, like the video. So first, I want you to put your Facebook guess first, and then watch the video, look at the truck, and then tell me what you'll sell it for, and I'll kind of give you my answer what I'll sell it for. So we in the F-150, and what we do, get the vehicle in, check it out. They dropped it off. As y'all can see what day, I bought it the 27th, vehicle purchase date the 27th, and they dropped it off 4 days later. So sometimes the transport is as quick as 4 days, sometimes it's a week. Sometimes if I buy it here from somewhere Oklahoma, as you can see I paid $700 for it, but it was like buyer fee plus transport fee was like another $700. But so y'all see it's $1,400 total for the truck. But sometimes it depends on where they get a transport come from. They come in here quickly, sometimes they don't. But it's a 2006 182583. Check engine light is off. I clear the check engine light because I always clear it, and then I drive it and I'm letting it sit right here and warm up, and trying to see which ones pop back on, just trying to see if these check engine lights is on because they haven't been fixed, or they're gonna pop back on. But we have 2 pending codes. So here we go. We got an intake air, and then we got a cylinder 5 misfire. But I'm gonna replace all the spark plugs and coils because it's super cheap. Oh snap! But that right there, it was taken off. It was broke. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just replace that. I'm gonna replace the filter in there too. Get a new grill too. But yeah, let's go to my spot so we can do my walk around. But yeah, those are the 2 that it got on. Oh man, those Fords, you can tell it's a Ford. It sound like. Shifting all his gears. Here you go. See, you can feel a little mist, like the check engine light didn't come on, but you can feel a little skip, a little mist. It ain't like a big mist or nothing like that. So probably the spark plug or the coil is breaking down some. But I'm gonna replace all the coils because it's way easier just to do that. Just buy all the set off a line. I bought all set 8 coils and spark plugs off of Amazon for $71. So then I can change that myself because they sit all up here on the top. So that's easy. Or I'll do it. I have my dad do it if I'm busy doing something else. But we gotta go over here. We ain't taking no pictures of it yet because we ain't got it cleaned up. We don't have it cleaned up yet, so no pictures. I gotta see if I'm gonna buy some fender flares, but I want to get you guys feedback in the comment section below. So let's hop out. It does have some rough spots right here. That's a good amount. Some rust right there. Looks like rust is right there. But we get needs a grill. Needs a grill right there, which I'll get that. I might just buy like a whole just blacked out grill. Could use some tires. Got more rust right there. Rust right there, right there. A lot of rust right there. You know, I'm taking pictures of this while I'm recording the video because I'm sending it to Wilson because I'm trying to see. You know, you can see, look, it's got a good old rust spot right there. All right, but yeah, like I said, I was taking some pictures, and that was Wilson that just called me. So trying to see. That's probably gonna cost way more than I wanted. That's probably why I got it for. And then got a little rust right there. Velcro the gas, some more rust in there. So then rust right there on the bed. So it's a pretty rusty vehicle, but and then the seats are these seats are dirty. Seats are really dirty. So not that bad, honestly, for the price. You can't really, I couldn't pass up the price. Misfire is like a misfire is, yeah, it's a little ticking too. All Ford, if you know Ford, they are, all of them tick. All of these 5.4s tend to tick some, but oh well, we'll get a fresh oil change up on it anyway. Take it to get a detail. Probably I might take it to get a detail now because I don't think I'm fix that rust, because I feel like that rust is probably going to add another, there's probably be another 1,000, 2,000 into it, maybe, because it's under there too. So it's like then it's rust on that part too, so you have to get that rust and then over here and fix that. But one thing that is holding is that 4x4, so that's a good seller. But yeah, we gotta go get us a grill. Get us a grillage. I don't know what else. Let me know in the comment section below. If you're watching the video, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, let me know. Should I get some fender flares? Pay to fix the rust? Also, let me know in the comment section below what you're gonna sell it for. Cause me, I was just gonna detail it, change the oil, put the new spark plugs and coils in there, and I was just gonna put it up there for $4,500. But you know, as y'all see what Facebook says, oh, let me be careful. Ain't trying to run over nobody. But as y'all see what Facebook says between 5,000 to 10,000. So who knows? I might actually see. I'm gonna just take these pictures, send them to Wilson, see how much he charged to fix the rust and everything. If it ain't too bad, I might be asking that 10,000 like Facebook suggests me. Nah, I ain't gonna be asking that much. I would ask 75 though, because it is 4-wheel drive, you know. I go put 4 good used tires on here, even though the tires on here ain't making it ride bad or anything. I go spend $100, $200 on some used tires. Shoot, if I gotta go. Let me go check the market and see what everybody else is F-150 selling these for anyway. See what they going for. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we out. Peace.